Okay, just gonna make a short video. There's probably more to it, and I'll look for it later. I've just been making a lot of really long videos, so I'm trying to make a few short ones. But anyway, so a lot of the 88s and whatnot, people started noticing about a year ago, or maybe a little more. And a lot of it had to do with Neptune and the Trident. Just tons of stuff like that. And there was a few things that I just noticed that kind of dealt with Neptune and 49s and 54s and stuff. So the Normandy Landings were actually codenamed Operation Neptune, and it was on 6/6 of 1944. Even D-Day, DD 44. So kind of interesting. But look where the Normandy beach is or whatever. 49 degrees north, 0 degrees west. I mean, I just found that interesting that it's on the 49, whatever it is, parallel, or 49th, yeah, parallel. And I guess when I think of this, I think of the movie Saving Private Ryan with like Tom Hanks, Matt Damon, Omaha Beach. Like I said, I'm not going to go that in depth with it. Maybe I'll look into it a little more, but like Omaha Beach, they fought the 352nd Infantry, and that 352 is 88 times 4. Just all kinds of stuff with it. I'm sure I could find a whole bunch more. Says even the casualties and losses, 4,000 to 9,000, so 49, and at least 44 confirmed dead. So, but anyway, when I think of, or I guess another Neptune thing was Osama Bin Laden. So, I mean, it says he formed Al-Qaeda, however you say it, in 1988, go figure. But look when he died, May 2nd, 5/2. We talked about Charlotte and all kinds of stuff with that. And he died on 5/2, and he was love. He was 54 when he died. And the reason I thought of him was because the operation that killed him was called Operation Neptune Spear. So not only did Osama bin Laden die at 54, he died at 54, 1 month and 22 days, the 122 that we've been talking about. And just some interesting thing here. So 9/11/2001, if you subtract 49 years, 4 months, and 9 days, it takes you to May 2nd, 1952. So 5/2 of 5/2. Interesting. Yeah, so interesting. That's why 52 and 49 connect so much. Look, 5/2, like I said, 5/2 of 5/2, 49 years, 4 months, 9 days is September 11th, 2001. If you change this to 4/9 of 1952, and then you add 5 months and 2 days, it takes you to the same day, September 11th, 2001. And then if you subtract 49 years, 5 months, 2 days, it takes you to November 7th, 1902. November 7th, I just talked about the October Revolution, or October, whatever it's called, October Revolution in Russia or whatever in 1917. That was the Gregorian date. So it was actually November Revolution and on Gregorian, and then October Revolution. But yeah, and it's also 54 days until the end of the year. I also finally watched this movie, Mark Twain, 88 Days in the Motherlode. Not really that much into it. It just was just a documentary. Didn't really even have that many numbers. Basically about just telling the story of how he left San Francisco to go live in the Jackass Mountains or whatever it was, Jackass Hill, and for 88 days. And when he came back, he learned all this, and he became famous after he came back after these 88 days. So just interesting in general that it was 88 days, but documentary wasn't really that informative. But I noticed that Mark Twain died on April 21st. That's the same day that Queen Elizabeth was born. I talked about it's a 21-4, so 214, Valentine's Day. Another interesting thing I noticed when I was typing in Mark Twain, like I'm going to end after this, just making it short, but you type in Mark Twain and look at the search results. Mark Twain, the second one, intermediate school, 239. So I don't know. Who knows? Maybe go check this out at a later time. But I gotta go DJ tonight and get ready. So anyway, just have a great night and or a great day. Bye.